is Isadora. I am 19 years old and I came from Brazil.
My name is Pricielly. I'm from Indonesia.
Since I came to Korea because I'm so busy with school, far from my university, student council in clubs and go drinking. Seriously, my skin just look really tired.
But alcohol really causes dehydration, aging as well.
Oh no!
My friends always say, why you look tired?
I know.
So how do you relieve stress?
Anything sweet to relieve my stress.
Excessive sugar really causes inflammation in our body system. So yellowing skin.
Oh my god.
We open the present.
I receive it! Look at how pretty it is!
So this is Radian-C Double Active Brightening Essence. The orange part is the vitamin essence. Lower part is the collagen essence. The first time, what you have to do is twist.
Whoa!
You know, we all want bright, glowy skin, right?
Yes, I really want
I
that
need it.
glowing.
I'm gonna be honest here. No lies.
I really going to use this well. So I'm going to use it. Double Active Brightening Essence Day 1. My really concern is like this area because I had this kind of spots for years. I really got stressed about it. So the only thing that I need is this. Twist it. Oh, okay. You can see the difference, right? I usually use pumping, and after that you can massage it. Oh, usually brightening products got really strong scent off. This one smells good. Can you see it? Double thumbs up. I love it.
Here's the essence. I was waiting for this moment. You heard the sound. After the click, oh, look at the color. Now it's full. I loved it. The plump thingy matches the color. You guys can see. Really watery. Really light. More smooth, definitely. Yeah, I think 2 pumps is gonna be enough. Do it. Okay. My skin is glowy, but it's not an ugly glow. It's like a natural glow. When I move, you can kind of see it. Let's check what a night with the essence did to my skin. I still feel like it is pretty uneven. I'm gonna start with my toner, put in my hands, and then I put it in my face. I feel that this is the best way for me. Second toner, this one, a few drops, like 1 for extra hydration. 2 pumps. 1 more plump, that there are some areas a little bit more. All done, like it's not uncomfortable. It's almost like just put water. Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream. I just think that it's not too heavy for my skin. Hyaluronic acid. I like to add 3 or 4 drops and it works for my skin. I do have a bit of a dark circle. I just want a little bit of an extra. Apply sunscreen, lip sleeping mask. That's about it. I'm gonna go meet my Brazilian friend. Yay, let's go up to eat takarbi. This is how my face looks now. I did makeup, but I feel like the makeup sat well in my face. Let's see how it does throughout the day.
Skincare. Toner. Do you see any difference? Of course not yet, because it's just 1 day. I'm going to use this here. So fresh. Tone up cream. In the future, I don't think I need this. Hopefully, let's do your job, okay?
Good morning, everyone. First step, toner. I'm a little bit tight on schedule. I don't have that much time. So it's actually pretty nice. I really like how easy it is to apply it though. Yonsei campus a little early. Let's go to the Kwabang. Eat lunch.
Your skin looks fire.
Really?
Amazing.
What are you doing about your skin these days?
Put on lotion.
If you want, I will let you borrow this product.
Oh my god.
Really good, right?
Hi. Hey, what are you doing?
How do I look today?
You look great.
Really?
Yes, your skin looks amazing.
Oh my god.
It's glowing.
Oh.
Wow, it's so glowing.
Hi everyone! It's photo time. Everyone is getting ready. Good morning everyone. Morning check on my skin. It looks really nice, honestly, especially this side. In the beginning of the challenge, I had this and these 2 dots really red, and now they're kind of like disappearing. Just a few bumps and my hand. Spread using my hand. Okay, you guys can see that now it's getting even more shiny.
I've been outside for working the whole day. My skin, I think it still looks good. Glowy. My boyfriend is watching me from there.
추위 그리고 냄새 좋아. 뭔가 쫀득쫀득해. 모이스처를 느낌.
너 피부 완전 피곤해 보여.
난 잠 못 자서 그래.
잠 못 자서 그래, 이거 발라.
땡큐. 근데 이거 진짜 이뻐. 나도 하나만.
Dark circles by. 역시 남자친구 있으면.
Our little baby.
I love to use this in the morning. It's kind of give me some refreshments. You see that? I'm really using it. I still love how they can absorb it so fast. Moisturizing type. If your skin is kinda oily, I think you can adjust it just to use this. If your skin is like me, it's just okay if you put anything. This one is a good one.
With our little baby. I have to say that I already used pretty much. I usually don't enjoy fragrances. There is a fragrance. I have been getting more used to the smell, definitely, but I guess it is also a question of preference and just personal opinion. It's so good. I am really happy with how it looks under makeup too. The biggest problems I have with moisturizers before makeup is that they just start flaking and just start like peeling off while I apply my cushion or my concealer. I like how my makeup looks. I've been using it for around 7 hours now and it still looks pretty good. So I'm happy that this one doesn't do that. Good night.
And I'm going to meet my friend. I need to hurry. Apply for my toner. Essence. Pali. Cream. Apply this sunscreen. Put on the cushion. Regular lip. And done. See you there. Let's go. Bye.
John, let's go. Wait, what? Wait. I think your skin got much better. It's like Radian-C, double active. So it's right. So nice. Use this like for a week or my 6 days. What? What? 6 days, guys. It's recommended. Wow.
I was trying to hold, but I cannot. Sorry, Songchun. Even though I eat sweet things, I do notice that my skin is getting better. Oh, so much sweet food. I need to put some extra. Do you see that glowy skin? My skin being so tight. Good job, friend finish it.
Hi guys, and it's time to say bye. Final results. I do feel like it made my skin look less tired. This was the energy drink for my skin. The Radian-C essence made my skin anti-fragile.
Today marks the last day of me using these amazing products. My face smooth, bright, cheerful, like the cream really give me that smoothing skin. Feels like a velvet. Using one of them is already good, but using them both are perfect. We all want the K-pop look. K-pop idol glass skin, so this is the answer.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye!